Pero pianamente si aggi si alinea alo ningla papia. Piervidoro chicken bali pataka patamada. Stotamya dengan salani pianle choose like that here. So last week we already talked about classroom things. So let's do revision for that. So these are the classroom. This is our classroom. We can see a clock, a blackboard, keyboard, book, table, picture, door, air conditioner, window, a wall. So these are the things that we can see in our classroom. We already talked about that in last lesson. The video, the classroom things the example, but lesson noga, think bida, piparapia. So today let's talk about how we can use a or an. So a ne and mode bureau don't do this bureau. Gia amapia, the video whiteboard please share paper me. So like pencil, pencil, pencil. Pencil is start with P, so then we use a pencil, where you so because it is consonants, it start with P. So I will show you how to make sure that you understand. So A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. V-O-W-E-L-S, vowels. So A, E, I, O, U. These are only vowels. Look correct. So if the word or meaning which start with these vowels, and we just use A and N. So the video A, E, I, O, U. So it's a lonely in the side. Sikaloni shima so A and N go yeah. So an example, an aeroplane, P-L-A-N-E, an aeroplane, an aeroplane. So look at this word. Aeroplane so as a kaloma to be in a side, air power chititra, two shiga, A-N-N, dredomare. An aeroplane, laying the Z. An aeroplane, laying the Z. So, an elephant. An elephant. An elephant. Ara so do biro ai sakalong ma le e ne be sa de aro ai kaung le e ne sa de atwa n thong ne naw taku an ice cream. An ice cream. Ice cream so as a kaloma let viruga. I ne sare edwa vowelဖြစ်တဲ့အတွက် an နဲ့ကျွဲသုံးပါတယ် An ice cream. An ice cream. An aeroplane. An elephant. An ice cream. So an orange. An orange. An orange. Orange is vowel, then we use with N. And next one, an umbrella. An umbrella. An umbrella. Umbrella. So umbrella is, so it starts with U is right. U is vowel, then we say umbrella. Okay, umbrella. So this is okay. So U, not U, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. An umbrella. An umbrella. So umbrella start with U and it is vowel and we use A and N. So other words or other letters or other alphabets, these are consonants. So, except vowels, except A, E, I, O, U. So, A, E, I, O, U got luebiro, Janus Colombia, consonants, correct? And example B, B, C, D, F, G, H, etc. So, A, E, I, O, U, Mahote, Sakalonga, Tibiruga, consonants, correct? So, a Sakalonga, sorry, Harris, Virua, in nature. Like an example, a banana, banana start with B, B is consonant, then A. So a banana, pure, not a cool, a cat, cat car, C, so consonant, a cat, not a cool, a dog, a fish. Okay, this is only the example that how we use A or ANN. So I want you to think about more letters or more words which we can use A or ANN. Here we go. D Aနဲ့ ANN နဲ့တွဲလို့ရတဲ့စကားလုံးတွေကိုအများကြီးကိုယ့်ရဲ့စာအုပ်ထဲမှာစဉ်းစားပြီးတော့ရေးထားစေချင်ပါတယ်ခင်ဗျာ So let's go to next and we have exercise in workbook. So let's do that. ဘုံတို့ရဲ့ဒီ easy going ဒီ workbook page number 90 မှာSarah, our classroom lesson နဲ့ပတ်သက်တဲ့ exercise လေးလုပ်ထားပေးထားတာရှိတယ်။အဲ့တော့ page 90 ရဲ့နောက်တစ်ခုက page 20 ရဲ့ page 20ကတော့ puzzle လေးလုပ်ခိုင်းထားတယ်။နောက်တစ်ခုက page 21 in the classroom ဆိုတဲ့ဟာလေးကိုand I will explain you what you have to do. Here, write your name and your class and date. And let's say, this is my school. I go to blank school. I go to blank school. So, an example, I go to Powder School. So, and also here in the box, you need to draw a picture of your school. The box tema jaro, kuye jangpongu, swebiya bamepia. Not kuya jaro, dimajaro, number 2. This is my teacher. My teacher's name is. So, the box tema, pomongluye, siama, tumhok, siaye, bong, swebiya me. So, my teacher's name is Solution. My teacher's name is E.E. Wayne. No, I'm really happy. Error workbook page 19 Now to Kugajaro, page 20. Page 20 Gajaro has a leaf. Number 1. What is this? Pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L. So I will show you the example. So P-E-N-C-I-L. Pencil. So this one is pencil. Number 1. What is this? Ruler. R-U-L-E-R, ruler. This is example. So you need to look at the picture and then fill this puzzle. The puzzle will be page number 20 ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဗျာ Okay next one so you need to look at the picture sorry so I need to erase it so ဒီ page မှာကြတော့တပည့်တို့ပုံလေးပေးထားတယ်စာအုပ်ထဲမှာတော့ကောင်းကောင်းမြင်ရတယ်အဲ့ဒီစာအုပ်ထဲမှာပါတဲ့ပုံလေးနဲ့အပေါ်ကစကလုံးလေးနဲ့တွဲပြီးတော့ရေးပေးရပါမယ်ခင်ဗျာ box ထဲမှာဆိုတော့ like this one what is this number 2 chair so we need to write down chair here so CHAIR so something like that chair okay I hope that you will understand and you can do those exercises and thank you so much today that's all and we will see you next lesson ပြန်ပြီးတော့နောက်တစ်ပတ် lesson မှာပြန်ပြီးတော့တွေ့ပါမယ်ဗျာအဲ့တော့တပည့်တော်ကိုဒီ student book workbook ထဲက page number 90 20 21လေးကိုပြန်ပြီးတော့လောက်ထားပေးပါဗျာကျေးဇူးအများကြီးတင်ပါတယ်ဗျာ